What's up fans, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this new video JVZoo affiliate marketing tutorial. Do you want to start JVZoo affiliate marketing? If yes, then watch this video. But at the first I want to disclose it. This method, this system, this tutorial is not for expert marketers, because if you are a green newbie and if you don't have any money making opportunities, then you can apply this simple method. It's not for advanced marketer, because I personally don't use this method, and I can't assure you make huge money to apply this method. And for this reason, I want to disclose it first. But if you are a totally newbie and if you don't have any money making opportunities, if you don't have any traffic sources, then you can apply this system, and I hope you can get result. I already see a lot of marketers apply this method. Okay, and it's so much easy and simple method. I will show you how you can apply it, how you can use this system. Okay, now let me show the why that is recommended for the newbie people. Okay, you can promote JVZoo products today, then it's 100% unique system. I hope you never seen this system, but you can say why you don't promote, why you don't apply this method. I will show you, because I promote JVZoo products using another system, and at the end of this video I will share my traffic sources, my system, my method. Okay, it's for totally newbie people. Okay, and you can make 40 to $50 per day. It may be more or less, and it's 100% free traffic, and you don't need to make any videos, you don't need any website, and you don't need to write any article or reviews, and you just need to spend 1 hour per day. Follow this system, then you can understand it, and you don't need any coding skill or marketing skills. Okay, and you get result fast. If this method works, then you get result fast, you don't need to wait, and it's totally beginner friendly, and you don't need to run any paid ad campaigns. And applying this method, you can promote JVZoo products as well as you can promote Warrior Plus products. Okay, so if you are a totally newbie and if you don't have any money making opportunities, then you can apply it. And if you are an expert marketer, if you are an advanced marketer, then I will show you what I do to promote JVZoo products, and you can apply it to make big money on JVZoo affiliate marketing. Okay guys, I am Raju Bhadro, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus and many other affiliate networks, and making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, by online marketing, and I am working here for last 8 years. So guys, first thing is first. If you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro. A lot of money making opportunities inside my YouTube channel. You see here, it's an educational YouTube channel, and don't forget to smash the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, upcoming updates inside my YouTube channel. And you see here a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel: ClickBank method, JVZoo method, Warrior Plus method, CPA method, free traffic, high ticket program, everything you will get inside my YouTube channel. So I can assure you, you never be disappointed, you never be frustrated to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, now if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation here, or check my video description. Okay, make 10,000 per month affiliate commission here, you can check it. And you know it, traffic is the key to online success. So if you want to get unlimited bad traffic, then you can check this traffic secret and a lot of money making opportunities. So you have to check my video description. Now I will show you how you can promote JVZoo products for free And if you are a newbie, then it's one of the best opportunity for you to apply this method, apply this unique system. And it's so much easy and simply, actually you don't need to do anything. Okay guys, let's follow it. At the first, you have to create your JVZoo account. If you already have JVZoo account, then apply this method right now. And if you don't have JVZoo account, then visit jvzoo.com and create your JVZoo account. It takes just few seconds. Okay, start for free. Click here. Just simply register your account for free. Your legal name, your full name, your email address, password, confirm password, select your country. Okay, it takes few minutes to get approval and create your account, and you will get all the access to promote JVZoo products. Okay, and click here. I have read all the agreement, policies and disclaimer. Then click the register button to create your JVZoo account. Okay, fine. After creating your JVZoo account, you have to log in into your account and you will get all the access of every JVZoo products. Okay, you see some of my results, but I don't follow this system. If you are a newbie, then you can follow it. And if you want to see how I make my commission like this, I will show you at the end of this video. Okay, fine. Now you see here the affiliate section and approved product, find product. You can click the find products and you will get all the products of JVZoo and you can promote any of the product. Okay, any of the product. But in this case, in this method, for this method, you have to apply another system. You don't need to find out products from this affiliate section. Just visit this website, Mansai. For applying this method, you have to choose your products from Mansai, because you have to promote upcoming products or newly released product, because this method works for this. I already say a lot of marketer use this system and get rank on Google and get traffic. And if you follow this system, you will get traffic by 2s. Okay, and I will show you everything. You see here all the upcoming released product, new released or upcoming release product from JVZoo and Warrior Plus, and you can apply this method for both marketplace, JVZoo and Warrior Plus. Okay, fine. Now suppose if you want to promote this product, okay, click this product and you see here is the JV page. Okay, you see here is the JV page. Just click the JV page, and inside the JV page you can see the demo of this product. Okay, you can see the demo of this product.
Brett Ingram here. Wow, we're almost done with the first.
And you have to use this demo as your own video. Okay, you don't see this method in before, I can assure you. Okay, but you can apply it. Okay, and you see here the JV documents, and inside the JV documents you get all the info about this product and the demo video of this product. Okay, just scroll the below. Where's the demo? You see here product demo. Now you have to download this video, and after that you can edit this video using this free software Capwing. Okay, so at the first you have to download this. This is on Vimeo and YouTube. You can download any of the file, then you can start editing this demo video. Start, click here editing and upload this video here and simply edit it. Add 2 or 3 seconds or add images or add text. Just simply edit it. I suggest you to edit it because I don't want you use the exact file. Okay, and for this reason just edit it within 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, that within 5 or 10 minutes you can complete your editing. After completing your editing you have to use this video, but mind it, don't use this video in YouTube, then your video may be copyrighted. You can break any of the community guidelines of YouTube, so don't upload this video on YouTube. If you can upload this video on YouTube, then every marketer can do it, can apply it, but you have to use other website, other site. You can upload this video, and by 2 ways you can get traffic. One is you get this website own traffic, okay, and another is Google search engine traffic. I already see a lot of marketer get rank using this website, this video. Okay, so you have to do it, and for this visit this website. But if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. I can assure you, you never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel. A lot of money making opportunities here. Okay, and if you want to make big money, then check my number on recommendation here or check my video description. Okay, now visit this website BitChute. Okay, you can, you already heard this name, you already known this website, but it's a different type. In this case you can use this website, and it's a high ranked website video platform, and if you can post here, then you can get a rank. In the case of review marketing, in the case of JVZoo and Warrior Plus products, most of the keyword, most of the product name are so much low competitive. For this reason, this website rank on those posts, on those products review, and you have to use this opportunity. If other marketer apply this method, if other marketer do it day after day, if they don't get result, then they never do it. So you can apply it. Okay, I personally don't apply this method, I personally don't do it, but I say all other marketers do it, so you can easily apply it, and I hope you get results. Okay, and for this, at the first you have to register here. Click the register button. Okay, put your username, your email address, password, confirm password, referral code, it's optional. Then click here and I agree and create your BitChute account. Okay, after creating your account, you have to log in here. Just click here login and log in your BitChute account. Now you have to upload videos. If you see the popular video, then you can see here 4 minutes 114 view, 1 minute 10 view, 6 minutes 223 view, 6 minutes 16 view, 18 minutes 439 views. So you can see a lot of inside a traffic, built-in traffic inside this website. And if you get view inside this traffic, you can get sell, but if you get view, then it helps to get rank on Google. Okay, a lot of people search various products review, so if you can get ranked on Google, then you must get result. You must get result, I can guarantee you. In this case, I can guarantee you. And for this reason, you have to upload videos on the daily basis, and I recommend you to upload 2 or 3 videos per day. That means uh, make review make 2 or 3 products review or demo video per day. Okay, okay, fine. Now you have to upload your videos in BitChute, and I will show you how you can upload these videos. And if you face any problem to apply this method, then comment in the comment box. If you like this method, then like this video, and don't forget to share this video with other people. Okay, now click here, upload new video. At the first, you have to put your video title or the product name, Video Apex Pro. Pro review and demo. Use this title. Okay, then description, you can get the sales page here. Then you can simply copy some of the text.
Did you know 2.4
some of the eye-catchy text here like this, and get access Video Apex Pro here. Okay, and put your affiliate link. Okay. Inside the JB page, you can get the affiliate link. And simply apply here and get your link. Okay, get link, then copy this link and use this link. It's a clickable link, mind it. And for this reason, I love this website. Now you have to upload videos. Now you have to upload your edited videos. Okay, click upload here, and okay, Video FX Pro review and demo video. Okay, upload this video. It takes few minutes to upload. Okay, it's uploaded. Now you have to upload your cover, and in this case you have to spend times to create your cover, and you can use Canva. You see here, Video FX Pro review and demo. Then you can use this cover image of this product. Then you have to use some catchy call to action inside your cover. Okay, because people will attract to see this cover. Hybrid animations in seconds, and I take it from here, hybrid animation in seconds. Okay, then you see here, get 10x more clicks, leads and sales. I also get it from here, 10x more clicks, leads and sales. So you have to use catchy call to action in your image, and you have to create your image like this, and you can make more better image, more better cover for your video. Okay, now simply click the download and download this image. Okay, okay, upload cover, use this cover here. Now click the finish button to upload, to publish your video. Just click finish. That's it. It's your uploaded video. Okay, it's your uploaded video. And you can share this video, you can share this video on Twitter, on Facebook, on Tumblr, on Pinterest, on LinkedIn, and you will get a lot of traffic. Okay, so a lot of opportunities to get traffic. At the first, this built-in traffic. Then if you upload this video, then you can get rank on Google. Okay, when people search Bitfix Pro review, then you can get rank your videos. Okay, like YouTube. And if you share this video on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, then you can get a lot of social traffic. And if you follow all the system, all this process, I can assure you, you must get results. Okay, but it's for the totally newbie people. If you are an advanced marketer, if you are an expert marketer, I can't recommend you to apply this method, because it's a simple method, and I can assure you, you make huge money on JVZoo affiliate marketing or Warrior Plus affiliate marketing. But if you don't have any money making opportunities, if you can't make a single dollar online, then you can apply it. And if you can if you can't do anything, if you don't have website, if you can't make videos, then you can make it. But if you are an expert marketer, if you are an advanced marketer, then I recommend you to follow my system, and I make every product's review. It's my review website. You see here, it's my review website, and I make review to promote Warrior Plus products, JVZoo products. You see here, it's this product, video effects review, then it's a Tribe Engine review, it's many ads review. I try my best to make every day, to make 1 or 2 reviews. If you are an expert marketer, then you can build a website and make a review, or you can make a review video. But don't use this system if you are an advanced marketer. If you don't apply this method, that not means this method doesn't work. If you are an advanced marketer, then you want to make big money, but applying this method, you can't make huge money. You can make a certain amount on 20 to 30, $40 per day, but not, you can't make big money like me. Okay, like my result, you see my result, you can't make this big money. If you see my all commission, then you can see it, it's all of my commissions, and you can't make this huge money to apply this method. But if you can build a review website, or you can make a review YouTube video, then you can make this type of result or more. So guys, that's it, that's all the process. If you can apply it, you can get results. If you are a totally newbie, and if you don't have money making opportunities, but if you want to promote JVZoo products, then you can apply it. Okay guys, so if you like this video, then like it. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your question, and don't forget to share this video with other people. So guys, it's all the process. Apply it and get result, and send me the feedback, what's the result. Okay, if you apply this method. Okay guys, that's it. See you soon. God bless you. Bye.